Good day everyone. So today let me teach you on how to one name your Facebook account. So as you can see, this is my Facebook. So my name here is I have my given name and my surname. So in order for me to one name that, just go to settings and then go click this Meta account center, this one, and then click profiles. Then click Facebook, your Facebook profile, click that, and then click name. So in order to have your first name only, just delete your last name and then click space, then click review change. However, when every time I'm clicking review change, this is what appear. First or last names on Facebook can't be too short. So we can't change it. So we have now our tricks in how to do one name. Okay, so in order to do one name, here's the trick. So you need two application, the White Hat VPN and the Facebook Lite. You can install it in our Google Play Store. Now first go to White Hat VPN and make sure you are connected to Indonesia. Now click Indonesia and then connect it to the VPN. Make Indonesia a server. Now once you are already connected, go to Facebook Lite and then click the three dots on the right side, the three lines on the right side. Here are the three lines, and then click settings and then click personal and account information, and then after that kindly click your name, and then after that kindly delete your last name and then click review change, and after that you need to input your Facebook password and then save changes. After that click save changes, and then let's check if you already have your one name only. So let's check in our profile. So as you can see, let's refresh. Okay, I already have one name only. So let's check in our Facebook app. So in our Facebook app, I already have as well my one name only. So let's check. So let's check. Okay, it works. So that's it.